Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. Hexagon, hexagon, semicircle, semicircle, pentagon, pentagon, heart, heart, cross, cross, rhombus, rhombus. Let's learn some colors. Purple color, orange color, forest green color, yellow color, pink color, light green color, gray color, red color. Fill color in shapes. Pastel yellow color, yellow green color, yellow green color, French vermilion color, French vermilion color, cobalt blue color, cobalt blue color, cool gray color, cool gray color, natural oak color, natural oak color. Now learn 2D shapes. Hexagon, semicircle, pentagon, heart, cross, rhombus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.